Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix notifications not showing up on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to fix this option that your Instagram notifications aren't showing up, all we need to do is to go ahead and double check that over on our device's settings. So tap on your settings and I want you to scroll down to notifications right here. And I want you to scroll down again to the Instagram application. Now make sure that you have notifications enabled right here, and also all of these alerts enabled so that you could receive your notifications on every possible way. Sounds and badges could also be helpful, but if you have time-sensitive notifications turned on, basically this will allow your notifications to be delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour if in the case that you have time sensitivity turned on. So it's that easy, guys. You could also go ahead and launch the Instagram notification settings right here and see if you have notifications disabled, or you could also have it paused. And if you actually have it paused, well, you are not going to receive any notifications. So make sure that this is turned off to receive your notifications. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.